Kadhi weche mag manyo kwee nyandwat mar Hoho mar Okak, jatend migawo mawuoth Kipchumba Murkomen ayanga piem mag tuke adhula motisni North Rift Football Peace Tournament e alap ma Kerkwony, Eldamaravine, kaunti ma Baringo. Murkomen wacho ni piem ma kama en mar nyayo kwee kind kauntis ma Turkana, Baringo, West Pokot kod Elgeyo Marakwet. Ma kuom thuolo malach osebedo ka yware wi weche mag kuo mag jamni kod kedo makinde ka kinde. Piny owacho mag counties biro chung'ne timbego duto mawuok e counties gi. Tiba biro piem biro wuok e counties ang'wen ka tim moloyo e counties ma bende biro dhi e semi-final gi final biro mich ma nus milion ka jaloch e finals mag counties ang'wen go biro dhi dala gi shillings milion 1.
A peace cup that brings together 4 counties. 4 teams from 4 counties will meet at one venue, which is now West Pokot in Kabenguria, and they will compete against each other. The winner will get $1 million shillings, the runners up 750,000, the number 3 will be 500, and the last one will be 250,000. In the final tournament level, we will hope that we can have high representation from the government so that we can talk together about unity and peace, so as we move this country to move forward. Or we want to request to condole with the families that are still losing their loved ones as a result of acts of banditry. We hope that my colleague Professor Kindiki is doing a very good job working together with CS Duale. We will continue supporting them. We are also supporting as a ministry with road infrastructure network. We put enough resources, a reasonable amount of resources, to open up security roads.
Tumekuja kumuunga mkono kwamba tutasupport hiyo idea mzuri kwa mambo ya amani, kwa sababu bila amani maendeleo yote ambayo tunasema haitafanyika.
Kwa watu wa Eldamaravine nataka kuambia hii ni mwanzo. Hii uwanja ambayo tumeongea hapa, ukiangalia leo hii imetosha kuwa stadium.
Ramogi